In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll know how to line up shapes, images, and text boxes so your slides look clean, consistent, and professional without any guesswork. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. Open the application like you normally would. If you see a template chooser, that's fine, just proceed to your presentation. Next, open an existing project or create a new one. If you already have a slide with multiple items, go ahead and use that. If you're starting fresh, add a couple of shapes or images so you have something to practice with. Alignment works best when you have at least two objects selected, since it lines them up relative to each other. Now, select the objects you want to align. You can do this by clicking on an empty area of the slide, then clicking and dragging to draw a selection frame around the objects. Everything fully inside that frame will be selected. If you prefer more control, hold the Shift key and click each object one by one to add them to the selection. If you accidentally include something you don't want, Shift-click it again to remove it. A quick tip. Zoom in a little. If the objects are small or close together, precise selections make alignment more predictable. With your objects selected, right-click on one of them to open the context menu. Choose Align, then pick the option that matches your goal. Left aligns all selected objects by their left edges. Centered aligns them to the same horizontal center, which is great for stacking elements above and below each other. Right aligns their right edges. Top aligns the highest edge of each object, while bottom aligns the lowest edge. Center vertically aligns them to the same vertical center, which is useful for placing items side by side in a neat column. These actions align the objects relative to the combined selection, so everything snaps into a straight line based on the option you choose. If the result isn't what you expected, simply undo and try a different alignment. Aligning is quick and non-destructive, so you can experiment without worry. You can also repeat the selection and alignment process on other slides to keep your design consistent from start to finish. That's it. Launch Impress, open or create your presentation, select the objects, and use the Align options from the context menu to line everything up. With these simple steps, you'll produce clean, balanced slides that look intentional and polished.